Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Today we do tacos. So first you need a bottom stir fry steak, and these ones are from Walmart. They are chopped already in small pieces, so highly recommend it if you don't have so much time. I heated up the oil. I added a lot of oil, but you guys can add a little less oil. So I'm adding the whole package of this meat in the skillet, and then you will need to chop 2 onions. Add the onions inside the skillet. You can use less onion. I love onions, so don't judge me here, please. Add the onion a little later. I added it way too early, you guys, so it burnt a little bit, but just let you know, add the onion later on when the steak is almost ready. I turn it on high heat because I didn't have patience to wait for the steak. Then you will need a steak seasoning. I love the steak seasoning from Walmart or from Costco. It's really delicious. Then you will need taco seasoning and add the whole package in it. Then stir well everything and turn down the heat on medium heat and stir it well, the seasoning with the meat, so it's combined very good. Now cover everything, and here's my cat. He's always waiting and making sure if I have something to eat for him. He loves to watch me cooking. So you will need guacamole and guacamole dip mix. You cut the, you need an avocado, sorry guys. You will need a big avocado, cut it in half and add it to the bowl. Smash it, and then you will use the guacamole dip mix, and you will make the guacamole to add later on into your tacos. Make sure meanwhile, if the steak is cooking, and stir it well once in a while. Make sure nothing is burning. That's what I did over here, as you can see. I like my meat crispy, but it started to like burn, so you need to add a little bit water, a little bit more olive oil. Now you will need some tomatoes, and you will add the tomatoes into your guacamole mix. Of course, mix well first all the ingredients. To mix it better, I added like 1 spoon, 2 spoons of canola oil. You can use any kind of oil, guys. I prefer olive oil, but I didn't have it right then, so yeah. And this is my cat again. He really tried to get my attention. Then you will need some lemon juice. I didn't have fresh one, so I just added this one from the can or from the bottle. I chopped my tomatoes, used 1 to 2 tomatoes. I know mine are a bit chunky. Added to the guacamole mix. It's just gonna taste so good, you guys, believe me. Then you will need some parsley or cilantro. Chop it and add it as well, like 1 handful in the guacamole mix. It just gives this beautiful fresh flavor. Mix everything well. Oh, it's so good, guys. Just watching it, I just want to eat it again. I love this guacamole, you guys. Who else likes guacamole? Thumbs up and give me a comment. Leave me a comment if you like a guacamole like me. I can eat it with spoon, like just like that. So this is my cat again. I'm sorry, I was getting annoyed already because he was so like, he just needs affection and attention so much. It's crazy. He just gets so excited about meat when I cook meat. So yeah, this is the steak. Keep turning it. Then you will need some whole kernel from the can, some corn, and then lay it out. And I use some sweet corn cream style, half of a can, to give it like a different flavor. It just tastes a little bit more sweet, and it tastes so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. Just mix it well together, and that's pretty much it. Of course, you will need some tortillas, the maíz blanco from Walmart, and I put them on top of the meat so the flavor will be there from the steak. It was so good, you guys, for like a few seconds, few minutes, like 1 minute each side. Now your taco is ready. Add the steak, of course. This was so hot, but I couldn't wait, you guys. Oh my goodness, it was so delicious. So yeah, add the meat with the onion. Don't overdo it. Then I used this chipotle peppers from Walmart. One was way too spicy. The sour cream mexicana can't be like too much. Salsa verde. I just always add everything on top. I just love new flavors. Yeah, I added salsa verde over here, and the other ones, they are very spicy. This one was so spicy, you have to be careful, but highly recommend. It was so good, you guys. Then some corn, and I added, of course, some guacamole as well. So delicious. And this is pretty much it. Of course, I forgot the crema mexicana. Oh, yummy, you guys. This was the best taco ever. Thank you guys for watching. So good. I'm gonna eat right now. Yum, yum, yum.